Good morning, Still Bulldogs. This is Mr. Kubal. I miss you guys from the bottom of my heart. I really do. And we are going to get through this. First thing I want to show you here is I'm on the home of the Bulldog splash page. I want to show you how to get to the actual e-learning. So over on the right where it says e-learning links, where it says 6th grade, scroll down to 6.0, click on that. That'll open up our page. And then you click right here where it says quarter 4 Team 6.0 homework link. And you'll notice science already for the week of April 6th is filled out. And for Tuesday, it says begin working on lesson 2.1 online in Google Classroom, not in the workbook. It says 2.1 can be located in the folder called Lesson 2. Does fat and soap dissolve in the same liquid? And then it says that Lesson 2.1 will be due on Thursday, April 9th at 8 a.m. So I'm going to show you how to get there, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google Classroom, and here is that lesson right here, Lesson 2, with the title. You click on it, and then you scroll down a little bit. Okay. I've got two tabs on here, and it says work on lesson 2. It tells you the dates for Tuesday, April 7th, Wednesday, April 8th, and it tells you the due date at 8 a.m. And it also says do not forget to turn in your work when it's complete, and that's important. When you're doing online activities like this, you want to make sure you turn them in after you complete them, and they need to be completed on a timely basis too. So I'm going to click on that 2.1 activity. It's going to open up. Over on the left, there are 4 slides for the first activity. The first slide gives you a scientific principle about what solubility is. Then there's a video, and then it says watch video demonstration of solubility. And then the next slide is a data table. It gives you a little bit of information at the top. And then it says number 2, watch the 2.1 teacher demo on the next slide to complete this data table. So you go to the next slide, and lo and behold, here's your video. You click on that video link, that'll open up the video. Okay?
Okay, so
These are some demos, lab demos that I did a couple of years ago just as a backup plan. And boy, I'll tell you what, they're really coming in handy right now. If you have a hard time playing your video, what you want to do is maximize your screen, like so, and then you shouldn't have any problems. Okay? And then finally, the last slide for 2.1 are going to be some questions with claim and evidence. And just read the instructions when you go through these slides. Each slide for all these activities, they're very self-explanatory. Start at the top, work your way down, take your time. You have plenty of time to get these things done. For example, you've got 2 days to do the first activity. And do not forget to submit or turn in your work when they're completed. So when you're, for example, when you're done with this page and you fill out this page, when you're done with all that stuff, you want to turn it in, because that's what I'm going to be looking for when something's due. Okay? So again, the homework, you want to make sure you're keeping up with the dates. This is the week of the 6th. Everything's in here. I've got everything already plugged in for you guys for the next 4 weeks. But you'll see the same thing for social studies, same thing for math, etc., etc. Okay? And if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Pay attention to the Zoom times, because I do have Zoom times loaded already for meeting with you folks, and I'm trying to scroll down here, but it's not working very well. So you'll see the first Zoom meeting is April 6th, right here, and that's from 1:30 to 2 p.m. for periods 1 and 2 only. If you're in my social studies class, period 1 and 2, we can talk social studies. It says I will post a link on Google Classroom on Tuesday, April 7th. And then here, this is Thursday, the 9th. I have a 12 to 12:30 Zoom meeting for periods 8 and 9. And if you're in my social studies class, in there as well too. Okay? So you guys take care. And we'll be looking for you. If you need anything, reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help you. Have a good day, okay? We'll talk to you soon.